And the question goes something like this. You have 7 to the power of 206 times 7 to the power of m, and of course you will divide this number. Yeah, so you divide this number. I think I need to change this to a white number so I can divide that. Yeah, good. So you're gonna divide that number by 7 to the power 214, and this is equal to 7 to the power minus 3. So here you want to work out the value for m. What does m stands for? What is the answer for m? Looking at it as a face value, it appears that this is going to be a bit complex, but in the way you're going to solve it, you will eventually know or find out that this is quite an easy question. First, you simplify the top fraction, and when you do that, you find that that's going to be 7, because they're multiplying, the first and the second are multiplying, and of course this is from the first law. You always simply multiply take the one of the base number and then add the top number. So that's going to be 206 plus m, and of course you will divide this by 7. Okay, 7 to the power 214, and that's going to be equals to 7 to the power of minus 3. So again, what I think we need to do, because this top is dividing this bottom, alright, and when you divide like this in indices, you take one of the base, and of course subtract the powers. So that's this gonna simplify to 7, and then of course you do 206 plus m. Now you subtract the power of the bottom number, which is minus 214, and you equate it to this expression on the right, which is 7 raised to the power minus 3. And I hope you're really understanding it. Next, again, if you look at this equation, on the left you have to the power of base 7, and on the right you have to the base 7. So what I think we can do is to cancel out the number 7. So I'll cancel out this number and then cancel out this number. So now we're left with 206 plus m minus 214, I think so, and is equals to minus 3. So how do we do this? So you do 206 minus 214. I think it could be anything like minus 8. Okay, yeah, it's 8 minus 8. Now you add m to it, and that's equals to this number here, which is minus 3. So what do? Because the whole goal here is to get a numerical value for m. Again, I'd like to show you how I got my value for m. So because here is minus 8, so what I want to do is going to add the reverse of it, which is plus 8 here, and also add the same number on the right, plus 8. Now when I do this, you can see that minus 8 plus 8 cancels out, leaving just m. So bring that as m down, and of course that's the equal sign. Now you have minus 3 plus 8. I think that's going to be 5. So you can see that the result or the numerical value for m is 5. I hope you really enjoyed it and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.